Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check software version for your earbuds ANKER Liberty 3 Pro. You have to start by open Soundcore application, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see it at the device list. Tap on it and then scroll down. Go to More Settings. And right here we have update firmware, near to it we have software version. So you can check it here, because firmware is the same as software. Or you can tap on it and check for updates, and also you can check your version right here. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!